Welcome, everybody, to the Faithful Studios. I'm Tyson, and today starts a new week and a new adventure for us. And we have a company that I'm going to expose you guys to, and we're going to give them the spotlight for the week. So, the company that I'm talking about is Wildside. So, we got Wildside Beer Company. We're going to unbox this. I'm going to show you what they sent me. And if you're paying attention to the video, this is the only hint I'm going to give. Pay attention to this video because you just never know what might come of it. So we're going to dig in right after this. All right, so we have a package right here. Right here, we have a package. It's from Wildside. You can see it's in an envelope, a padded envelope with a stamp on it that has their name. And we're going to open it. I'm going to see what's in it. We're going to give it a big old sniff, 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 snifferoo. So I have right here my handy dandy pocket knife. And we're going to grab this package here. This is from Wildside, so they're out of Peoria, Illinois. Sent me this padded envelope. They sent me out some samples to try, and I let them know a scent that I like, and then they sent me this package. So let's just see what is in here. So we'll slice it open. I should have been a little careful, but I think we're good. So what do we have here? But we have an arbitrage. Then we have this thing right here. So let's flip it over to make sure that we're showing you this the correct way. So we have a pouch, a bag, a travel bag is what this will be. We have a nice little travel bag here. This can go into our travels when we travel every other week for work. This will go right in there. So we're just going to unzip this right here. We're going to take a peekaroo what's in here. So we have a business card. Here you go. Business card. We have another business card. Same thing. We have a Wildside Beer Company sticker. We have a sticker. We have coffee. Now, all right. I love this note. So I have a note right here. Have a note right here. And I'm going to read it. It says, "This is a Father's Day gift to you for being faithful," pun intended, "to Jesus. We are so glad for you checking us out. Stay wild, Jason and Tom." This, my friends, is pretty awesome. So all you beardos and beardo lovers out there, we have a Father's Day gift bag. And this just so happens to be great that Father's Day is on Sunday. So check this out. And maybe your fathers or your husbands or the man in your life that has a beard needs a Father's Day gift, or anybody you know. You have a travel bag. And then we have a wrapped up package here. So grab my knife, I'll just slice it open. So it's June, as you know. Easter's definitely not in June. But sometimes it's fun to throw some Easter eggs in, like that travel pouch. An Easter egg for Father's Day. Now this was not in there. But we have coffee. We have coffee. So the first thing we have here is a bottle of oil. Check this out. Check it out. Amber bottle. You got 1 ounce of oil. This is called Sailor Sunset. And I actually really like the look of these labels. And this is an Etsy company, so you're talking small batch, probably in-house production on a lot of this stuff. We have a shrink wrap on there. We'll get rid of that. We'll give it the good old shake. Get the snifferoo all ready to do some sniffing. And we'll open this up. Wait. Ingredients: jojoba oil, rosehip oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, scented with premium grade essential oils. They're on Facebook, Instagram, and the Twitter. So there's no scent profile. So we're just gonna guess. Guess-a-roo. So Sailor Sunset. Lemon or lime? Lemon. Maybe lime. Maybe lemon and lime. So this is your Sailor Sunset. This is good. The scent strength seems to be pretty decent. We'll see how long it lasts being a citrus. But I believe it's lemon and lime. It's a crisp, clean feeling for me. It's kind of soapish, kind of cleaner-ish. But to me, it is lemon and lime base, and that's what I get out of it. I'll have to check what the scent profile is and see if there's anything else in there. But it's a citrus. Then you have a 2-ounce balm here, and as you can see, I love their labels. Their labels look pretty awesome, honestly. They got a nice design. You got the sunset in the background. You got their logo, which is like a motorcycle motor with a beard on it. So I'm guessing there's some sort of bikers. Maybe I can get them to come out for the Sturgis Rally in August, ride their motorcycles up, put up a tent out in the yard for them to stay in so they don't have to pay these outrageous prices for hotels. So here you have the balm. It's a whiter balm. I get some of the balm scent, but I also get the profile. It's not nearly as prevalent as the oil. But we get it. Let's see what the texture is like here. So we're gonna just scoop-a-roo. And it is medium, on the strong end of a medium texture. It took a little bit of force with my nail to get that out, but as you can see, I have some here on my nail. So we're going to twist that lid back on. You got some stuff on the back, which is basically their ingredients: beeswax, shea butter, jojoba oil, rosehip oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, sent with. So this is like their oil recipe with shea butter and beeswax, it seems. So we'll put it in the palm here, and let's see. This is definitely a medium to thicker. It's going to be a medium, a heavy medium hold. Most likely is by the feel of it and the way it emulsifies. It's not like, it's definitely can tell that there's beeswax. So I'm kind of interested in that, honestly, because I like a decent hold in my flyaway sides here. As they're growing out, the flyaways start being more prevalent until the gravity takes them down. But for now, I like using a balm. The next thing we have here is Rebel Yell. And I think when I was talking to them about this, I said some weird things like, heck yeah, or something like that. So you got the amber bottle, Rebel Yell, red label. The background to me looks like wood. Amber bottle. Again, you have this shrink wrap, this perforated shrink wrap. Childproof. Childproof perforated shrink wrap. I got beeswax on my hands. Finally. So we got that childproof shrink wrap off of there. And we'll give it the shakeroo. Let me see how this dropper feels. I'd say it's pretty standard. It doesn't feel soft, doesn't feel hard, doesn't like stand out. Yeah, this is wood. Don't know exactly what kind of wood. Doesn't stand out as like Sandalwood, no. There might be sandalwood in it, but it's not the most prevalent thing. Maybe like an oak, oak or cedar. I'll have to, again, look at the scent profile. But there you go. There's that in all its glory right here. Again, jojoba oil, rosehip oil. It's a little cloudy, it looks like. Let's suck some of this up. See if you guys can see that. There's your thickness. I don't think it'll be too thick of an oil. It looks thinnish. There's no castor or anything in that, so that doesn't really increase your thickness too much. So we have that. And then the next thing we have here, whoa, dropping it on the floor. Next thing we have here is the balm, the matching balm. So you have, again, Rebel Yell. Again, you have this 2-ounce tin with the twist top and the childproof seal around the outside that I struggle with these for some reason. I don't know what that means, but I struggle. Got it. Throw it in the old trash bin over there. Out the bang. Another drink. Oh yeah. Alright, so here you have the twist top 2-ounce balm tin. Take that off. Okay. Now, I sniffed my arm because I heard that sniffing coffee beans isn't as good as sniffing your natural clothing and clearing your palate with your clothing. Seems to work. I don't know. This one I get more balm. I don't get nearly as much of the scent as I get from the oil or even from the other balm that I tried. I get a lot more out of this, out of the Sailor Sunset than I get scent profile out of the Rebel Yell. Rebel Yell, yeah. But, same texture on it. So we're going to try this out too. So we got 2 scents to try out. I do have some samples from them. Maybe I'll try them out, but I feel like 2 can keep me busy all week long. And then on Friday, we'll do a live stream. We'll do a review. I'll let you know what I think. And hopefully you guys find out about some Easter eggs, because these things are pretty colorful. So are Easter eggs. So we have that. We got some good stuff. I'm going to get together with these guys, Jason and Tom. I'm going to get together with them. We're going to chit-chat this week. We're going to have some good stuff in store for you. We're going to be on Instagram. We might as well be on the Twitter and Facebook as well. Get things all sworn up for you guys, all ready to go for Friday. And I don't know. We'll do some fun stuff this week. You guys like my new shelves? I change the studio a lot. Just saying. But I'm figuring it out, and we're getting somewhere. So there you have it. We have Wildside, and we're going to dig in. We're going to put this all up in the beard. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, a like, and a subscription if you did. Also, hit that bell so all your devices go off when I post a new video. Because you want to be here quick. You want to be watching, subscribing, sharing. Emphasis on the sharing. If you share it, you can help the community grow. So share it to people who don't know about Faithfully Bearded, people who don't know about beards and beard care and beard advice, or maybe just people that like devotionals, because we do those on Wednesdays. And until I talk to you guys again soon, check out Wildside. I'll link their social media below. We're going to grab our coffee. Grab our bang. Get ready to jump over to the Wildside with our main. And until next time, God bless you all.